Have you ever had a leader who went way too far in the weeds and you just wished they could stay at a higher level of oversight? I think we all have. So stand by to see my take on how you could use these scenarios with your subordinates and peers to talk about how to lead with just intent. I recently had a coaching conversation with a COO who was struggling with their CEO about getting too deep into the details of daily operations. He would propose something, and the CEO would want to know all the background information, all the data, and they would actually instruct him on how exactly they wanted to get things done step by step. So let's use this as a learning scenario. And here's a simple way to overcome situations like this. If you catch yourself acting like this with your team, pull yourself back and try to lead with just intent. Intent based leadership comes from modern military leader techniques, which allows the lowest level of any hierarchy to become empowered. David Marquette, who wrote a great book on intent, likes to say, professionals pass information, amateurs give instructions. I'll say that again. Professionals pass information, amateurs give instructions. Give it to the people with control. They can always make better decisions than you could based on information. Leader's intent is very simple. It's a statement that outlines what an individual must know in order to be successful. The intent usually communicates three essential pieces of information. The first is the task. What is the goal? The second is the purpose. Why is this to be done? And third is the end state, how it should look when successfully completed. Try avoid telling them what to do. Instead, ask them what they see, what they know, and what would they do if you weren't there. A leader's intent is simple, so that even complex scenarios like the one between the COO and the CEO can stay in the realm of simplicity. Give it to those that truly can set it up for success. Iron sharpens iron. Make yourself and others around you better every single day.